Robot vacuum technology has advanced remarkably, making daily cleaning tasks incredibly simple. These devices can perform both sweeping and mopping simultaneously, keeping every corner of your home spotless. With advanced sensors, they can detect obstacles, avoid them skillfully, and navigate seamlessly. Thanks to modern battery technology, they are capable of operating for extended periods and automatically return to their base when their job is complete. With smart apps, you can control your device and schedule cleaning sessions effortlessly, whether you're at home or away. These devices also feature a minimalist design that blends seamlessly with your decor and operate in a quiet mode without causing any disturbance. Let's take a closer look at these products. Number 5. Narwhal Frio X Ultra. The Narwhal Frio X Ultra stands as a revolutionary innovation in the field of home cleaning. With this exceptional robot vacuum, you can effortlessly clean every corner of your home. The Narwhal Frio X Ultra, with its 8,200 Pascal suction power, ensures deep cleaning on all surfaces, from floors to carpets. Its fast-spinning mop heads can even easily remove stubborn stains. The base station of this device automatically washes, dries, and refills the mop heads with water. This device also features obstacle detection. Using a tri-laser navigation system, it accurately identifies furniture and other objects, maneuvering around them seamlessly. Additionally, it determines the level of dirt in every corner of your home and adjusts its cleaning power accordingly. Now is the perfect time to get acquainted with the Narwhal Frio X Ultra this year and step into a new era of home cleaning. Number 4. Yui X10 Pro Omni. The Yui X10 Pro Omni will make you completely rethink home cleaning. This smart device will change your approach to cleaning by effortlessly cleaning every corner of your home and adding comfort to your life. With its powerful 8,000 PA suction power, it leaves no dust or dirt behind, deeply cleaning every surface including your carpets. The Yui X10 Pro Omni's vibrating mop heads easily remove even the toughest stains. During cleaning, the device's AI-C technology recognizes every object in your home and moves around them more intelligently. With its automatic dust emptying and mop cleaning features, the device works without requiring any intervention from you. With the Yui X10 Pro Omni, cleaning your home becomes more than just a task. It's a tool that helps you enjoy life. Experience a revolution in cleaning and enjoy more comfort with less effort. Number 3. Dream X40 Ultra. The Dream X40 Ultra introduces the most innovative robot vacuum and mop combination of the year. With its 12,000 PA suction power, Dream X40 Ultra completely eliminates dust and dirt from every corner of your home. The 360-degree spatial awareness and 3D lighting system of the Dream X40 Ultra precisely recognizes every object in your home and cleans with a perfect route. Thanks to the Dirt Sense technology, the device automatically detects the dirt level in your home and adjusts the cleaning power accordingly. With the Tri-Cut brush, this device prevents hair and fur tangles, which is a fantastic feature. It's time to enjoy cleaning with the Dream X40 Ultra. You should definitely check out this product. Number 2. Shark AV2800ZE. The Shark AV2800ZE is one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop combinations. This device has a suction power of 12,000 pascals. With its 3D lighting system and 360-degree spatial awareness, the Shark AV2800ZE precisely recognizes objects in your home and cleans every corner with optimal cleaning routes. Thanks to Dirt Sense technology, the device can automatically detect the dirt level in your home. Equipped with the Tri-Cut brush, the Shark AV2800ZE prevents hair and fur from tangling in the brush, making the cleaning process more efficient. Now, with the Shark AV2800ZE, creating a clean and tidy environment in your home will be easier and more convenient. What are your thoughts on this product? Number 1. Roorock S8 Max V Ultra. You've probably heard of the Roorock S8 Max V Ultra. With its 10,000 PA suction power, it deeply cleans everything from floors to carpets. Equipped with the FlexiArm side brush, this device cleans corners 99% more effectively. The VibraRise 3.0 mopping module vibrates 4,000 times per second and can lift up to 2 centimeters, providing an even deeper clean for your floors. The Reactive AI 2.0 detects obstacles precisely through the interaction of sensors and cameras and avoids them. This device also features the Hello Rocky voice assistant, allowing for voice command control. The RockDock Ultra Station automatically performs tasks such as dust disposal, water refilling, washing the mops with 60 degrees Celsius hot water, and drying them with 60 degrees Celsius hot air. Dear viewers, as always, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like, and share the link with your friends. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video.